Maybe I tell you the story why there is a dome now. And that story goes back into the year 1975. I was 6 years old and I went with my parents and my two brothers on vacation to Rome. And it was already the second or third day visiting all over Rome. And we were little kids and already third day old churches, structures, a little bit tired. And then my mom said, but now we're gonna watch another church, the Pantheon. And I was really over with old structures and churches and start to cry. And I said, I don't wanna go to Pantheon, I wanna go to pool, and I don't want anymore another church, too much church already. And then my mom said, no, it's not really a church, it's a dome. I was interested in Klangtage, and Jens Zygar was playing instruments I have not seen before and introduced me into gongs. And Jens Zygar is here now, and Jens Zygar is 40-year experienced sound magician and gong ambassador all over the world, and he's just finished his 4 months Asian tour, and at the last step visiting UDARA. And so a lot of things came together that we took the opportunity now to do the blessing for the dome. Enough talking. I think we should drink on that with cacao. Thank you so much all for coming and for supporting me, blessing that dome and that structure. Thank you so much. Oh. Dankeschön to all of you. And we now go in the third floor for a little reception. Ja, genau. So. Ach, Martin hat schon? Nee. Ah, wunderbar.